Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can get your Decal ID or Image ID on Roblox Mobile. Let's get started. Open up Roblox application in your mobile device and then log into your account. Once logged in, simply tap on this More button. Then inside here, you'll see a bunch of options. Scroll below, then tap on Create. And just like that, this will open up the Create page. At the very top left-hand side, simply tap on this tree line icon. Then inside here, all you have to do is simply tap on Store. Now at the very top of the store, you will see tabs like Font, Audio. Scroll this button and then tap on Decals right over here. Now you'll see all sorts of decals. For example, if I want decal ID for any of these, all you have to do is simply tap onto them. And then here, simply tap on this three dot. Then you will see options like copy link or copy asset ID. Simply tap on any one that you would like. After that, head back to your home screen, open up your Notes application. And just like that, paste your decal link right over here. And that's it, you'll see your decal ID right there. You can do the same for each link if you copy it. That's it. That is how you can get decal ID or image ID on Roblox Mobile. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.